Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Professor Wordy, and we are going to talk about Week 2's vocabulary words from IEW. Today's words are so exciting that they might motivate you to shove a bean up your nose.
Ew, Professor, that's so gross. That would be completely fetid. Ew.
True, only an intrepid daredevil would try such a thing. Let's get to our words. First word, capably, spelled C-A-P-A-B-L-Y, capably. It means having ability.
So if I fix our dilapidated treehouse and it doesn't collapse, I did it capably?
Exactly. You showed real ability. Word number 2, tenaciously, spelled Tenaciously. Tenaciously. It means without giving up or letting go.
Like me holding tenaciously onto Mr. Teddy Bear even when my sister tries to grab him?
Perfect example. You refuse to let go. You hold on to your bear tenaciously. Word number 3, brazenly, spelled B-R-A-Z-E-N-L-Y. It means without shame, boldly, disrespectful.
Like me brazenly sneaking cookies right in front of Mom?
Oh, yes, do not do that. That's boldly disrespectful and without shame. That is very brazen of you. Word number 4, benevolently, spelled B-E-N-E-V-O-L-E-N-T-L-Y. It means kindly, with a desire to help others.
Then I benevolently give this cookie that I brazenly stole in front of my mother to you, Professor. That's being kind.
Benevolent indeed, and so delicious. So today we have learned that brazenly means without shame and boldly disrespectful. Capably means having ability. Tenaciously means without giving up or letting go. And benevolently means kindly with a desire to help others. Now, children, stay tuned for next week, week 3, when the words will be so exciting that you will earnestly pursue a chicken around your house in your underwear. Bye-bye.
Oh, brother, Professor, you get weirder every week.